Something else I want to say is that if you're looking for a silver bullet, and if you don't know what a silver bullet is a quick fix, something that if you do it, it's going to give you what you want really, really fast. I don't know that there's a silver bullet. The silver bullet is the things that we talk about regularly. All right. So these are like some caution things here, right? If you're diabetic, pre-diabetic, if you're young, if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, have gout, on medications that need to be taken with food, I would definitely work with your doctor in conjunction with fasting. And I would learn how to prioritize and eat real food first, right? Because it's going to make it a lot easier to shift into a progression-based fasting. Now, me and Colby are coming out with a product, and we're calling it the Silver Bullet. And it's an actual product. It's a powder. And if you take one scoop of this every day, you're going to look like Colby over time, or you're going to move in that direction. One scoop of this every day, but to make it work, to activate it, we've got some instructions that come with this bottle of powder. And the instructions are going to tell you like how to eat real food and how to sleep better, how to practice some mindfulness, how to work out, some recommendations, be a lot of specific stuff in this whole thing. But if you don't do these things, the powder is not activated. But if you do these things, the powder will work. And we have testimonials already. People using this powder, if they're using this powder and they're eating wheat and soybean oil and all this stuff, the powder's not working. But if they're eating real food and they're getting to bed on time, they're working out most days, the powder works. It activates. All right. This is the silver bullet. It's this powder along with the lifestyle factors that we talk about.